Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn Open to Work settings for recruiters step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn profile by logging into your account. On your home page, locate your profile picture in the top left corner. Click on your profile picture to access your profile page. Once your profile is open, look for the Open to button, usually found below your profile picture. Click on the Open to button. A drop-down menu will appear with options for job preferences. Select Finding a New Job from the list. In the pop-up window, you will see various fields to fill out. You can specify the job titles you are interested in. Enter the types of jobs you are looking for. Next, indicate the locations where you are open to work. You can choose specific cities or regions. Additionally, select your preferred start date. You can set it to immediately, in the future, or another option that suits you. Next, you will find a setting for sharing your preferences. Here, you have the option to let all LinkedIn members or just recruiters see that you are open to work. Select your preferred option. Once all fields are completed, review the information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, click on the Add to Profile button. Your profile will now display an Open to Work banner. This banner will signal recruiters that you are available for new job opportunities. You can always revisit the Open to settings to make changes or update your preferences. To do this, simply repeat the previous steps. By following these steps, you will effectively enable your LinkedIn Open to Work settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.